Learn how to quickly disable Auto Enhance in Photos on Windows 11 with this brief guide, taking control of your photo editing preferences. Click on the search icon on your taskbar, type Windows PowerShell, and click on Run as Administrator. Enter the following command in the app. Press Enter to run the command. The Auto Enhance feature will be disabled on your device. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.